Oh, what'd you bring the sled?
How are you gonna
put the pants on with your sled in your lap?
I don't know. I'd save the trouble moving the back again.
Now, what are you doing?
What are you doing with the sled? Where are you going with the sled?
Where are you going?
Look out, sled coming through. Alright, we're gonna go sledding. Steve and Lorna's last full day here. And we got Winter Storm Jaxon with an X. With an X. I can't make an X with mine. And we're gonna do weather report outside live on Facebook. Steve is. And then Steve and Danelle are gonna try sledding down the Holmes Lake Dam. Alright. Winter Storm Jaxon, full effect. About to go live on Facebook. And yeah, it's cold.
Hurry up! What are you doing?
He's got to get this live feed going.
Out Lorna.
Why didn't you start that before we got out of the car?
Oh, I can't get over.
Here's the lake scene.
Okay, so here we are at frozen Holmes Lake, out in the middle of the winter storm, blizzard warning. They're calling this Winter Storm Jaxon. And as you can see, it's cold and the wind is blowing. I'll demonstrate how strong the wind is blowing by holding this sled. Okay, so you can see our snow depths are getting pretty deep here. Front shot. You can see it's starting to really pile up. It's kind of slick here on the path. And the temperatures are about really cold.
29.
And our snow depth is getting really deep. But we thought what better to do in the middle of a blizzard than go sledding. So that's what we're going to do now. So here we go. Let's sled.
Oh boy, this is cold. This is not one of the smartest things we've done.
Film crew.
Oh, this is bad. Why does Steve make me do these things?
Got the feet sitting around, hunkering down.
I disagree. Just getting pelted with icy needles. Oh yeah, there's a nice sled right here. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. It's like a. You don't even need the sled, Danelle. Danelle, wait down here for the sled.
Almost ran over you.
My life flashed before my eyes.
I was like, does he see I'm coming?
I was looking through the viewfinder and I see this black blob coming right at me. I was like,
I seriously thought you were gonna move. What is she doing?
I don't know, I told her to wait.
She's supposed to take the sled back up.
You need the sled. She doesn't need it. Oh man. So cold. Danelle made it. I can't make it. I can't make it. I can't. I can't make it. I can't.
down?
I think one way or another. I don't think there's any other way down. Either on your butt or on the sled. I feel like the side of my face is... Oh no! Oh no!
Oh. And the sled almost flew off.
Okay. This is crazy up here.
Fly a kite! Fly like a kite.
It's like Siberia up here. One other group. Little kids sledding. Not sure. Not sure the wisdom of that parent.
Let's both go down at the same time.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Go, John, go!
Oh boy. Whoa, I'm like I'm sliding. The wind is moving me.
Oh man. We're all gonna get blown off.
Oh, the wind is moving me.
Okay.
Holy cow.
And then you film us going down.
Oh, okay. Wait, you're putting me on the front?
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
Oh my goodness.
okay, here goes John. Here goes
We're
John.
gonna die. Dang.
Split a pair.
You all get our feet in.
Alright,
Oh boy.
what a team. Look
This
at
is
this.
this is the dumbest thing I've done in
This is
recent
great.
memory. Woo! Here we go!
Go, go,
Oh
go.
yeah!
Oh my god. I thought we were gonna roll.
I thought we were too. Here comes Janelle with no sled. Okay, we're done, right?
No!
Yeah, I think we're done.
Yeah.
One more.
You want to do a sled?
I do one more.
Here's Janelle crawling up the hill. Here goes Steve up the hill. Okay.
Oh my
That
goodness.
was crazy.
Okay,
Back to the car, right?
call it a wrap.
Woo!
We did the blizzard.
Winter Storm Jaxon ain't got nothing on us.
Actually,
And it's chilly and zippy cold.
Now back to the warm car, and
splitting.
where sanity will hopefully be the prevailing theme of the remainder of the day. Peace out.